Regularly using your arms, I always feel uncomfortable in this area. How can we relax? First of all, with the elbow bent, find this sharp bone protrusion. Okay, we follow this sharp point along the position of the elbow in this direction, then push inward until this groove, gently knead and rub. There may be some soreness. It's that kind of sour feeling. Let's rub here for a minute, rub for a minute. Okay, then along the arm, this entire line, let's relax it. Relax, lift her arm. Don't let it exert any force. Let's knead and rub it back and forth like this. How does it feel? It hurts too, right? That kind of sour pain. Use the pad of your finger, press down and rub. Every point, relax her there too. Okay, this line 1 minute, this point also 1 minute, a total of 2 minutes. After completing the whole process, her arm will feel much lighter.
Nice.